Okay, let me say, this is Charles McMahon, Expert Village. Let me say something about the epoxy that we're going to use. This is a common kind of epoxy. It's called DevCon. And you can see that it looks like a bit like a hypodermic syringe. You take this cap off here, this lid off, and then you push down on these plungers. And what this does is mix the epoxy and the hardener. Now the epoxy itself is a liquid polymer, long chains, and on each end of the chain there is what's called an epoxy group, and this hardener is a smaller molecule that bonds to epoxy groups. So basically this hardener is a polymer that ties the ends of the epoxy polymer chains together. So these are long chains, these are smaller molecules. What we're going to do is squirt this into anything. This is just a top of a peanut jar. We're going to spray this onto here, and then we're going to inject it onto here. Then we're going to mix it up with this stick. Happens to be a half of a broken chopsticks. We'll mix this up, and then we're going to use the end of this to sort of paint this on the ends of the spindles, and we'll put this back together as quickly as we can, tap it into place, and put the clamps on.